Monday, day 3 fantastic voyage cruise. Grab some breakfast upon arrival at our first destination of the ship. Yeah, we coming off. Turks and Caicos, here we go. First time on this island, first time on a cruise. Latonya Style is available to teach and showcase Jamaican culture worldwide at sea or on land. Yo, this ship is humongous. The water have different shades of blue, like the blue is so beautiful. Beautiful indeed. But we wanted to see what Turks and Caicos had to offer. Not at the port with all the touristic stuff. We wanted to go on the island itself to meet the people and see their culture. We rented a go-kart that would take us around a 7-mile stretch and bring us right back to the port to go back to our ship. We're gonna gas up. Come out to get gas.
Gas from Jamaica?
Yeah. So then we'll come out to the front seat.
Yeah.
So lift up the seat for putting in the gas. Off we go. We're at the road without no tour guide. Just us being on a driving adventure, sightseeing. We didn't see much, like there was no wow factor. Yeah, just land, hardly any people. Just passed a little school with some kids, some goats, animals, and then we went to the beach area. The island was really tiny. Like, it was such a quick trip. Then we just head back to the ship. We stopped by the sign, took some pictures there, and yeah, nothing much really. But big up Turks and Caicos, quiet, simple, not much people, you know, cool little place. So after returning the go-kart, we did a little shopping to get some souvenirs, and then we head back to the ship, because the ship is where it's at. We did the necessary security checks, went back to our room, dropped off our bags, and went straight to the dining area where all the food was. Food galore, free food, free drinks. What could be better than that? Anyway, time to explore the ship some more. We went on the activities level because I wanted to see where I was going to teach, which happens to be right there on the basketball court. Same level as the water sports area, which had a surfing bay and water slide. We were able to view the other ships that look very festive and interesting like ours. Yeah, so you know, I'm just there sipping, chilling, doing dance videos, showing off my thick body. Yeah. Anyway, time for me to jump on that surfing board. Listen, it was so exciting, and you know me, I for sure me talented in everything, just learning it, and I was doing well. And radam, the water fling me away. But you know, I'm very determined. I tried to stand up, and again, my drop, poof. The water was really heavy, so it was a little bit challenging. So I kept it simple, do the little lie down part, do the little diving part, you know, show some talent and my skill, show them some I can use my stomach muscles, and you know, do 2 little stylish moves. Oh my god, it was super cool. I enjoyed it. Went back to the room, touched by Kadii first class, angled my ear, and then Nightlife Entertainment. Stay tuned to hear more about my Tom Joyner Fantastic Voyage Cruise experience.